As a true interactive pet, Zoodle needs attention and wants to play with your students. However, the only way students can earn playtime in Zoodle's world is by reviewing their banked spelling and vocabulary words. By design, Zoodle encourages students to review previously learned words in order to build long-term retention that ultimately leads to greater reading and writing fluency.
Try again.
Teachers have control over Zoodle's availability as well as an option to limit students' daily playtime with Zoodle. Zoodle is fun and highly interactive, whose mission is to transform traditional word study while building student confidence that ultimately leads to better overall academic performance.